Hi guys, today we are going to make avocado basil chicken salad that is quick to prepare and nutritious. It is good enough as a light meal for lunch or late dinner when you don't want to stuff your face before bedtime. This recipe is also paleo and keto friendly. The serving size is for 2 persons. You will need the following ingredients: 400 grams of skinless chicken thighs or breasts from cage-free chickens, cooked and shredded. You can also buy the cooked honey or black pepper chicken thigh or breast from the supermarket and shred it into pieces to save time. And you will also need half a cup of fresh basil leaves, stem removed and chopped, 2 small or 1 large ripe avocado, pits and skin removed, half a cucumber diced, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, mixed Italian herbs, salt and pepper to taste. I get most of my groceries from Red Mart. They offer a wide range of healthy options and they do home delivery too. Saves you the hassle of lugging heavy groceries home. I will put the link down below, and if you did buy through my referral link, I will get a small referral fee that will contribute a great deal to my video productions for all of you. So thank you in advance. And let's get started. I have seasoned the chicken with salt, pepper, and mixed Italian herbs, pre-cooked in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Let it cool and shred it into small pieces. Next, chop the basil leaves into small pieces. Slice and dice up the cucumber. Remove the pit and skin of the avocados and slice them into small pieces. Once all the ingredients are ready, toss the shredded chicken and the rest of the ingredients into a mixing bowl and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, season with salt, black pepper, and mixed Italian herbs to taste. Mix well and we are ready to serve. This is a super easy and nutritious recipe for lunch or dinner. You don't need to spend a lot of time in the kitchen to whip up a healthy meal. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you've tried the recipe or tweak it a little. And most importantly, click subscribe for more videos weekly. And as usual, thank you for watching. Do check out other videos on my channel before you go, and see you soon.